Hi guys, we welcome all of you. Today in this session we will know 5G architecture and 4G architecture. What are those components which are similar to the 4G components of 5G? Okay, there are many components which are similar to the 4G components. And what are their functioning? What are their functioning tests? So before starting this video, if you are new viewer on this channel, so subscribe this channel and don't forget to press like and share button. Okay, so let's start. First we will see the architecture of 5G. Here you can see 5G NR architecture and the difference and comparison between 4G component. Like here you can see UE is same for 4G or 5G. UE means user equipment, means mobile phone. And here you can see authentication server functions is same like HSS in 4G, home subscriber server. Here you can see AMF. AMF is connected to the air interface N1 to the mobile. Okay. Here you can see MME or 4G component is similar to the AMF, access and management function. MME means mobility management entity. Okay. Here SMF having some functioning of MME, PGW core, SGW core, and UPF of 5G having same functioning of PGW user plane and SGW user plane. Okay, this is the most important interface. Here you can see N2, N1, N6, N3 and N4. These are the most important interfaces. You will have to know about this. Here you can see PCF. Policy charging function is same as in 4G PCRF. Okay. UDM is same as SSS. The functioning of the UDM is same as the functioning of HSS in 4G. Here AF is same as AF in 4G. Okay. So let's start one by one. First we will know about access and mobility management function, AMF, which is the component of 5G. Okay, the functioning first, its functioning is termination of NAS signaling, NAS shipping and integrity protection, registration management, connection management, mobility management, access authentication and authorization, security context management. Okay, next component is SMF. Its functioning is session management. Session means session establishment, modification and release. UE IP address allocation and management. DHCP functioning. Termination of NAS signaling related to session management. Downlink data notifications and the traffic steering configuration for UPF for proper traffic routing. Okay, and here we can say SMF has part of the MME and PGW functionality from EPC. While EPC is the name comes from 4GLT, Evolved Packet Core. Okay. Next function of 5G component is UPF, which is user plane function, and its functioning is its application is packet session and packet routing and forwarding, packet inspection, quality of service handling, and acts as an external PDU packet data unit session point of interconnect to data network. And last one is an anchor point. It is work as an anchor point for intra and internet mobility. Okay, and PGW has part of the serving gateway and packet gateway functionality from the EPC world. Next component is policy control function. which is same as the PCRF in LTE, and its functioning is here unified policy framework, providing policy rules to CP, control plane functions, and the access subscription information for policy description in UDR. Next item is authentication server function. Its functioning is acts as an authentication server, and it is same as HSS home subscriber server of EPC world. Next is UDM, Unified Data Management. It supports generation of authentication and key agreement credentials, user identification handling, access authorization, subscription management, and it is same like HSS functionality from EPC world. Next component is application functions. Okay, AF, which is AF, and it is same in 4G also. And its functioning is application influence on traffic routing and accessing NEF, network exposure functions, and it interactions with policy framework for policy control. Next components are network exposure function NEF. It supports exposure of capabilities and events, secure provision of information from external application to 3GPP network, translation of internal or external information. And this function is not present in 4G EPC. Next is network repository function, which is called NRF, and it is also not support in 4G. Its functions is service discovery functions and maintain NF, network functions profile and available network function instance. Okay. And here this is the last network function is NSSF, which is called network slice selection functions, which supports selection of the network slices instances to serve the user equipment. It's determining the allowed NSSAI, determining the AMF set to be used to serve the UE, and this is the function which is not present in the evolved packet core of 4G. Okay, so these are the components of 5G, and here you already have seen the similarities between 5G and 4G components. Okay, so that's all in this video. We will catch you up in next video. Thanks.